Come test drive the 2023 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.